okay.
The mother the mother of my unborn mother.
My in-law.
A princess and more. My mother gave me this word, but you gave me my word. You did not hear me. I said, Mam Yeremowa, I'm not Jim. But I'm not happy with you. Information room marker is that you are still doing farm work.
It's because of my leg now. I need to be going out and stretch my leg. It's part of exercise, Ogo.
If you want to stretch your legs, I will go and register you in the gym. Digging at gym, give me exercise. So many people are looking up to me. Not when they see you now doing farm work now. All this like my money is not getting to you. It's not making sense. I'm a very popular person. People know me. People are looking up to me. Not when they see you now in that bush. I think I abandoned you here. It doesn't make sense. Please, for the sake of this beautiful angel, let's put her high on the mud.
Adam, why? Mama, Princess, what is this thing that you're wearing that is showing all your body outside?
My wife, please. Again, has to be here. This is my wife. I paid for her diary. Let him get him so good. I love what she's wearing now. Come now, my properties. These are the things I paid for now. I want to not intact. Aging bright price. Come and sit down. Ask after you, please. My maternal home. I was in a hurry to come and see you, but I will give it to you in liquid. Come here and raw cash. Yes, sir.
Hey, Ogo. God, you want too much, you know. Thank you very much, Ogo.
You don't have to thank me now. You have worked for it by producing and training this beautiful angel. In a society where we have so many hooks, your daughter decided not to be one. It's a ceremonial something, not here, man. It's easy. I have told you that your daughter's bride price can take a DSTV subscription. Every month, you can renew here. Yes, sir.
Just give me 1 minute. And I'm happy. Baby, let me join my mother. I'm coming.
Oh, yeah, now. Hey, Mama. My mom be there because you're good. Very sweet something. Pause. Oh, one of you know Tazio. Oh, let them know. Very intentional mother-in-law. Them about you, so you very bad. Choose cannot relate. What you know about Igbo hooks? Can buy video calls here hearing them. Nothing is more than family. It's not by carrying hooks. Some of the data hooks will get here. It's my boy I call who do not Tazio. Yes, now. Choose let man William. Kele my mother-in-law. You know shine again come the contagious on FF. Your first one, your first one. Grita, oyemo Gino Tazio. Oyemo Gino Tazio. No, but I know you cannot relate. All hooks will get gogi. Your hooks don't have mother-in-law. They belong to the street. Get away, you very very intentional mother-in-law. The very day I met your daughter, I knew you'd be a good person. Makanande ba yesina, ane sunu si ahu. I'm